great day to be a girl named Desiree, and thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. I am Desiree Chanel. So in today's video, I'm giving you guys a super cute glittery. Y'all know it's all me. I'm loving everything glitter.
I got beautiful glitter.
Look, okay, this is super affordable. This is just in time for the holidays. Thanksgiving is tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'll put it up tomorrow. More likely it'll be up Saturday, but it's still the holiday season. You still have Christmas and Hanukkah and Kwanzaa and New Year's coming up. So I wanted to do something really sweet, really cute, really simple. I only use like 3-4 colors to achieve this look. I do kind of talk through the tutorial a little bit, so I'm not gonna talk too much. I think I mentioned that this is a 3-strand twist out. It's about 3 days old. So that's why I have so much frizz, but I don't mind it. I think it looks really good. It makes me want to be like black power, okay? Yes. But I'm trying to think, you know, I don't write none of this stuff down, y'all, so I'm trying to think. Again, of always, everything that I use will be down in the description bar. I'm not sure if I'll put my little pop-up pictures or not, but if I do, you're welcome. You can thank me later, okay? Again, like I said, everything that I use will be in the video and in the description bar, but I think that is it. I'm about to go get ready for Thanksgiving tomorrow because I am cooking. I want to thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. I also want to say thank you guys for all the love and support that you guys gave me for my last video. I'm still in that little funk, so I'm still trying to get myself out of it, figuring out what I want to do. But I want to say you guys comments and DMs and messages were just so heartwarming, so felt. I want to thank you guys so much. It really helped me. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and tell all of your friends about me, girl. And of course, you already know, hit that bell so you never miss an upload. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. All right, so it's gonna be a talk through for a little bit. I'm going to be using my infamous Jaclyn Hill palette. I know y'all are tired of seeing this palette shit. I'm tired of seeing it too.
Bitch, what?
When you just poor, okay? When you poor, you just can't afford to be getting the new, okay?
I can't eat. I'm broke, nigga. I'm broke.
But it's coming. Just wait on it. God is working on me. Plus, I like this palette because I'm a simple girl. I don't really do too many outlandish looks. So this palette comes in handy, but girl, Black Friday is tomorrow. And I may just have to go a little coin shopping, okay? So we're gonna use my Jaclyn Hill palette. And then I'm going to be using my Revolution. This is their eye foils. So it looks like this. And this is in the color Rose Gold. So let's go and get started. I'm going to go and prime my eyes with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the color Fawn. All right, so for this whole look, I'm going to be using one brush, and that's because my brushes are dirty. I'm using my BH Cosmetics. This is a number 5 brush. It came in a set though, so I just know it says number 5. It's like a big, fluffy brush. I'm gonna go into my palette. So the first color I'm going to go in with is gonna be this color right here, and it's called Helllllllla. This is gonna be my transition shade, so I'm just gonna put this all over the lid. Now that we have our shade down, she's here looking lovely, looking nice, and I want to say like cocoa, whatever. Okay.
My mom already told me I was fine. Oh, you ain't have to tell me.
Okay. We're going to go in with our next color, which is going to be this color right here. And this color is called Hunts. And we're going to put that right up under our Helllllllla shade. Okay, so the last color we're going to use in here is this color right here, and this is called Jax. And I'm just going to put this closer towards the end of the eye because all of this will be covered, and I will drag it up just a little bit, but not too.
Illumid holler, where am I?
Okay, so I found that trying to use this with a brush, it does not go well. This is something you need to use with your fingers very carefully. I will use a brush just to kind of mold it around the crease of my eye, but I just find it better to use the fingers because when I didn't, it was all up here in my eyebrows. It was a hot mess. So just use your fingers. Okay, as you can see, I still got it every damn where. So just to clean it up, I'm gonna go in with some Q-tips and some makeup remover and just go ahead and clean up around the eyes. So I'm gonna let this dry for a little bit. I'm then gonna go in with my LA Girl concealer in black. I don't know what this is. It's just, it looks like this. So just get this one with the funky little top. I think it was like $8, and so far this is like the best liquid eyeliner I've had. So yes. Okay, so after up my eyeliner 6 times.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
We're going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face. I like to put my eyelashes on last, so I'm not going to talk during this. You're just gonna watch me beat it up, all right? Let go.